In this video, I will reveal a potent technique by Neville Goddard that can help you swiftly manifest your desires overnight. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to discuss a method that has yielded remarkable results for both myself and numerous others. Originally taught by Neville Goddard, this approach empowers you to effortlessly and expeditiously manifest your aspirations. I'm thrilled to share this technique with you, so let's begin. Before delving into the topic, ensure to hit the subscribe button and activate notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. The Neville Goddard method is a robust technique that aims to tap into the immense power of your subconscious mind in order to materialize your deepest desires. At its core, this method revolves around the notion that your thoughts and emotions shape your reality. By employing your imagination and focusing on positive sentiments, you can actively create the life you yearn for. To initiate this method, start by clearly identifying the specific desire you wish to manifest. It could be tangible possessions or intangible experiences, such as love and joy. Once your desire is defined, vividly visualize it in your mind's eye, crafting a detailed mental image. For instance, if you seek a new job, imagine yourself already flourishing in your dream position, relishing each moment at your desk, brimming with happiness and fulfillment. By paying meticulous attention to these details, you make the mental image as palpable as possible. After creating the mental image of your desire, immerse yourself in the associated emotions. This is where the Neville Goddard method truly comes to fruition. Feel as though your desire has already been fulfilled. Allow happiness, excitement, and gratitude to permeate your being. By experiencing these emotions, you effectively communicate to your subconscious mind that your desire has manifested and must now be actualized. Here's where it gets fascinating. Neville Goddard believed that you can manifest your desires during sleep, when your subconscious mind is most receptive to suggestion. To manifest by morning, as you retire for the night, envelop yourself in the sensation of your desire's fulfillment. Visualize yourself already in possession of what you desire, relishing the emotions associated with it. Once again, strive for a vivid and detailed mental image that captivates your subconscious mind and prompts it to take action. The subsequent step involves sustaining the emotions linked to the fulfillment of your desire. This is often a challenging aspect for many individuals, since it can be difficult to experience happiness and gratitude for something that hasn't materialized yet. However, it's crucial to remember that the emotions associated with your desire are equally as significant as the desire itself. By embracing these emotions, you emit a potent message to the universe, indicating your readiness to receive your desired outcome. For instance, suppose you aim to manifest a romantic relationship. Before slumber, envision yourself already immersed in that loving connection. See yourself and your partner holding hands, reveling in each other's company. Allow emotions like love, happiness, joy, and contentment to saturate your being. As you drift into sleep, maintain this mental image and continue to embrace these emotions. According to Neville Goddard, your subconscious mind will diligently work on this image, progressively bringing it into your reality. The Neville Goddard method is not a one-time technique. It is a practice you can engage in every night to manifest your desires. Be mindful that immediate results may not always be evident, but with consistent dedication, you will begin to witness the fruition of your efforts. One reason why the Neville Goddard method is exceptionally effective is because it helps shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. When you fixate on what you lack, you inadvertently attract more scarcity into your life. However, when you center your attention on abundance, you magnetize more abundance. In addition to employing the Neville Goddard method before sleep, integrate it into your daily routine. Whenever your desire comes to mind, visualize yourself already in possession of it, and embrace the associated emotions. The more frequently you engage in this practice, the more you train your subconscious mind to manifest your desires in reality. I personally attest to the effectiveness of the Neville Goddard method, having manifested numerous things in my life using this approach. One particularly powerful example was when I sought to manifest a new car. For years, I had yearned for a car beyond my financial reach. One fateful night, I decided to experiment with the Neville Goddard method. I envisioned myself driving my dream car, relishing the wind in my hair and the warmth of the sun on my face. As I drifted off to sleep, a profound sense of happiness, excitement, and gratitude enveloped me. To my astonishment, the following morning, I received an email from a friend who was relocating overseas and urgently needed to sell her car. She offered it to me at a fraction of its market value. Overwhelmed with joy, I swiftly accepted her generous offer, and now I drive my dream car every day. Another compelling example of the Neville Goddard method's efficacy was when I shared it with a friend who had been struggling to secure employment for several months. Despite countless applications and interviews, he had not received any job offers. Upon my recommendation, he decided to try the Neville Goddard method. Together, we navigated through the process. He visualized himself already working in his desired job, engaging with colleagues at his desk, feeling a profound sense of fulfillment. As he drifted off to sleep, he embraced the emotions associated with his fulfilled desire. Remarkably, the very next day, he received a call from a company he had applied to weeks earlier. They were impressed with his credentials and scheduled an interview. Throughout the interview, he exuded confidence and tranquility, knowing that the job was already his in his mind. A few days later, he received the job offer, and with excitement, he accepted it. He marveled at the rapid manifestation facilitated by the Neville Goddard method, attributing his success to the immense power of his subconscious mind. He is now a devout believer in the Neville Goddard method and has enthusiastically recommended it to numerous friends seeking to manifest their desires. In conclusion, the Neville Goddard method is a potent technique that expedites the manifestation of your desires with ease. It operates on the premise that your thoughts and emotions shape your reality, enabling you to harness the power of your imagination and create the life you yearn for. Give it a try tonight and observe the astounding possibilities that may unfold. Who knows, you might awaken to find your desires materialized. If you found this content valuable, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications, ensuring you never miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.